Hello, welcome again to your Microsoft Office training. So today we are going to begin with PowerPoint, and I will be using PowerPoint 2010. But everything that we're going to learn here is applicable to any version of PowerPoint. If you're using higher versions of PowerPoint like 2013 or 2016 or so, you will just have some other advantages like other designs, slide designs, but the same technique applies to all of them. Now, what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a visual representation of your information. Now, let me say you're doing a presentation, you're giving a talk, or defending a project or so. There will be some key points, and you want to better communicate those key points. So you use PowerPoint to communicate those key points. You might add things like images or sound or some visuals that can better communicate or pass out that information. So that is it about PowerPoint. Okay, so when we look, this is our PowerPoint interface. It's a little bit the same like our Microsoft Word interface, just that there will be some different functions that we have. Alright, so for example, when we go to our home tab, let us start with our file tab. When you go to your file tab, you have everything just as it is in Microsoft Word. Then you go to your home tab. Your home tab opens with, you have something like new slide. We know our paste option, the new slide. If you click on the new slide, you're going to see some slide or presets that we'll use later. Then you have your layout, you have your reset, and the text section seems a little bit inactive. That's because you've not taken a text. And you have your shape, find, replace, select. Then you go to the insert. When you go to the insert, you have pictures, clip art, shapes, and so on. What are equations, sounds, and videos? These are things which you can insert, headers and footers, and text box, which we shall use to write our text, because on PowerPoint you can only write using a text box. Then when you go to design, you're going to have different ways that you can design your slides. Alright, so what is a slide? A slide is just a page or a workspace where you can put your points and design your data. Then you have transitions. Transitions are applied on slides. Transitions here are the movement, the type of movement from one slide to another. Then you have animation. With animation, you're animating everything. You're applying a style, a kind of movement to either your text or your picture or whatsoever, or your shapes. Then normally slideshow, you want to now play your slide or your presentation to see how it looks. Then you have review, you're checking errors and so on. View, how you want to see your presentation. Then iSpring Suite 11, this is the software that I'm using to do this video. Alright, so if you want to use iSpring Suite 11, you can just get to me. I'll put it through how you can use it. So that is just an overview of PowerPoint, and that is what we're going to have in this video. In the next video, we're going to see how we can start creating our PowerPoint presentation. Now, your PowerPoint presentation is always projected on a device known as a projector. I might do a video on how for you to mount your projector at the end of the training. Okay, so see you in the next video where we're going to learn how to start, creating our PowerPoint presentation.